G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I'm on the road. Today I'm in Taipei in Taiwan. I'm about to do the most touristy thing that you can do here. I'm going to go up Taipei 101, tallest building in the world, up to the top, take a look and see if it's worth your while. Let's do it. Now I'm not going to give you instructions on how to get there, to be honest, because you can see this place from everywhere. So it's pretty clear which general direction you need to go in. I've just walked here from my hotel actually, so I'm not sure what the closest MRT is, but I'll work that out. What's interesting is that I'm in floor 28 of my hotel room, which is that one, the second one in the background there. And this thing, you know, it looks big. It doesn't look that much bigger than where I was in floor 28, but it goes up to floor 101, hence the name. So I can't wait to see just how much higher it feels once you're up there. Alright, let's do it. So as I'm getting close to it here, I can see it's got quite a big base to it. And I'm told there's like about 5 stories worth of shopping mall here at the base of the station, and you go up to floor 5 to then, you know, take the long lift. Now it's looking bigger. Right, so I've come in the furthest corner. It looks like I need to get myself across to the tower. A takeaway? Let's try it. The place is huge, by the way. Look at that. Massive. So here we go. The observatory is where we're heading. It's on floor 4 to go ticket. Right, so here we are on floor 4. This massive, massive mall. It's really quite beautiful, actually. It's worth seeing just on its own. Now, if I'd come in on the MRT, I would have come straight in that entrance, I think, so it would have been pretty straightforward. Right, so there's literally an MRT station right at the front, the closest way through to the tower, so that's probably the easiest way to get here. It's just called the World Trade Center as well, so it's an easy one to know. Because I came in kind of the back entrance, didn't work for me, but I can see around behind this thing an escalator that says Observatory on it, and yeah, so it takes you up to the 5th floor from the 4th floor. Observatory. Alright, here we go. So it's 600 Taiwanese dollars to get up to floor 89. You can go higher, up to floor 101 for an extra cost, but I'm just going to hit floor 89 for 600, about $30 Australian, I think, give or take, probably a bit more, 35. Okay, got my tickets and apparently a coupon, and apparently I can go up to the 91st floor. Okay. So it goes in half an hour lot, so I'm in a 3 o'clock session. I guess I've got to 3:30 to do what I want to do and then get out of there.
So thank you.
Security checkpoint with no security. Must get some pretty serious queues in here. So this thing goes 1 kilometre a minute. World's fastest elevator.
显示楼层高度、速度及时间。Please look at the screens on both sides, indicating floor, height, speed, and time. 両サイドのモニターをご覧ください。このエレベーターの高さ、スピード、時間、位置を表しています。两种モニターで可使用。엘리베이터의 층수, 높이, 속도와 시간을 볼 수 있습니다. 오늘 이집니다. 谢谢. We have arrived at the observatory. Thank you. 행복하게 감사합니다. 도착하였습니다. 감사합니다.
到完了之後3次，白色照，街白嘅照樓啊。
So that was impressive. 90 floors in 30 seconds, and it didn't even feel like it was moving. And Darth Vader's here. Oh wow. Okay. That's epic. Wow, I feel really high. You're not low.
The elevator speed.
A lot of space up here. Alright, so that's how you go up to floor 91. We'll do that in a sec. Let's have a look around. Wow, the view's amazing. Actually kind of getting a little bit of vertigo, and I never get vertigo. It's amazing how mountainous it is. The most mountainous island in the world, apparently. The tallest mountain in Taipei is almost double the height of the tallest mountain in the whole of Australia. Whoa. Oh man, that would have been spectacular. Look at that. Just little chill out zones here. It's very cool. Sit down and have a think about it. So opposite, just down there, if you've seen my other video where I went up Elephant Mountain, so that's Elephant Mountain right there. And I was just like, I can see where I was standing, I can see the people there. Yeah, it felt a lot higher than that. Ah. I'm pretty impressed by how clean the windows are, really. I mean, it can't be the easiest things in the world to clean, right? There's Tom Cruise is here somewhere. Hiding behind those little barrels. The river over there. That's the way that I went when I went to Jufen. Again, another video you should go check out. Gold mining town up in the hills. So there's all these eateries up here and coffee things and so forth, for which they gave me a bunch of vouchers, none of which I'm sure will give me a free one. It may incentivise me to buy something. Better than nothing. But I'm not going to partake. That's kind of the old town about there, I think. Hey, there was something around the other side. Let's go have a look. Alright, turn mass damper. What have we got in here? Yeah, right. Is this some sort of counterbalance or something? So this thing sways to kind of counterbalance the building to a certain extent, I guess. And in the typhoon that last hit, it was swinging around like crazy, like 10 centimetre swing, but that's pretty huge on a thing like that. It's really scary to have been up here. It's really cool that you can see that. Yeah, check out these big hydraulics. These ropes, it's just so cool. In the heart of this giant building. Right, now we're talking outside. Really didn't think we'd be able to go outside. Handful of floors to go, but pretty happy with this. Yeah. That is the goods. Not quite to the edge, but so much better without a window in front of you. See the mountains way up on the hill there? It's so cool. The way it kind of looks down the city. So you can't go all the way around, that side's fenced, but still a lot of space up here. Like I'm not really struggling to get a spot to see the view. Right, and you can get all the way around to there, so half the building. And the weirdest thing about being up here is that you're looking out at the skyline, and for the first time that I've been in this country or in this city, I can't see Taipei 101 because I'm standing on it. So that's actually kind of bizarre. It's ever present in everything that I've looked at. Every time I look out a window or, you know, out of an Uber or out of my hotel, there it is. And suddenly it's not there. Interesting. So up here on the 91st floor there's also a museum called Wow 101. As in wow. 101. If you want to find out more information about it all, watch a small presentation. Here we go, New Year's Eve. Yeah. That'd actually be worth coming and seeing. I'm guessing that this is a good time to come. Look at the length of that get back down the queue. Wow. I would not want to be stuck in that. So there we go guys, that's a look at Taipei 101. Look, it's definitely overpriced. You know, considering the fact that the zoo cost me $5, it is cost $35. And it was all over and done with in less than half an hour. But it's, you know, it's pretty spectacular and it's not really that much money. So I'd be happy to recommend putting it on your list. I was pretty, I wasn't really that phased on coming to this. I was happy to skip it, but then I thought, what a good video. And I'm kind of actually glad I've come up here and checked it out because, in terms of the things that you do, tick. But also, it's pretty spectacular. And it's really cool that you can actually get outside. I think it'd be really cool to come here. Obviously when, sun's setting, but also during like a big storm. A big storm was surging across the city. It'd be spectacular to watch. Anyway, I'm Chris Stead. Make sure you check out all my other videos about Taipei and many places around the world. But as for now, getting back on the road. Yeah.
各位贵宾，谢谢参观。Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your visit. お客様ありがとうございました。방문해 주셔서 감사합니다.